Do you want to know how you can reset your MetaTrader 5 demo account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset the MetaTrader 5 demo account. Go ahead and open MetaTrader 5, which is on your phone. Now go ahead and click on the three lines which you can see on the top hand side and click on manage accounts. It will take you to this page. You can see the three dots on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and click delete account. Go ahead and click yes, and then your account will be reset. What you need to do now is go ahead and find a broker or click on any broker you want and click on open a demo account. Now go ahead and click accept and register after you write down your personal details. In a while, you will reset your account. So guys, this is how you reset your MetaTrader 5 demo account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.